guys, and welcome back to Making Up with Michelle, where we're all just making it up as we go. Today we are going to be reviewing and first impressioning the Tati Beauty Palette. Oh my god, I am so excited. I literally got this in the mail about 2 hours ago, and I knew that I had to sit down and play with it right away or else I would go insane just having it. So just like with my other first impressions videos, I am going to be using it for the first time. Up until I started filming, I had not touched, swatched, hardly even let myself look at the palette. I haven't watched any reviews on the palette, nothing. I wanted to keep my opinion a totally blank slate. I did do 3 different looks for you guys using this palette, and yeah, if you want to stick around, see how the shadows perform, see what my first impressions are, and whether or not I would recommend this product, just keep watching. Before we get any further, I know that you want to hit the subscribe button. I, of course, would be so happy to have you in the Making Up with Michelle family. I appreciate every single comment, every single like, every single subscriber. It means the world to me to be doing what I love and to be able to share this with you guys. It's just amazing to get encouragement. So yeah, guys, if you want to stick around and see what my first thoughts and impressions are on the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette, just stick around in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, let's do it. Can we appreciate the fact that I am wearing a white crop top? It is 40 degrees outside because I thought it looked pretty. I tried to put my hair in the most Tati-esque bun that I could manage because she always films with that really big cute bun, but I probably have about 1/4 of the hair that she has. So this is as good as it's gonna get. Also, her hair is probably clean when she puts hers in a bun, unlike mine, which is very dirty. We're just gonna ignore that. Let's just go ahead and get into this freaking video. So I'm gonna do 3 different looks with this gorgeous palette. I haven't even swatched a single color yet, you guys. I literally just got this in the mail today. For some reason, my friend who lives in the Fort Worth area got hers literally 3 days before me, and we ordered it within 5 minutes of each other. So what the heck's up with that? For my first look, I was gonna try to film something natural and low-key for the everyday girl, but let's be honest, this palette has too many glitters for me not to go straight into that. Also, this mirror, oh my gosh, it's like Inception. Hi. But this mirror, you guys, is probably the best palette mirror I've ever seen in my entire life. Let me just swatch these glitters for you. Should I be like Tati? So this palette is so awesome because it's broken up into the same shade family, but in 4 different formulations, from glitter to shimmer to sequin and to matte, all down. I've got to swatch the glitters. I just have to. It's like, let's swatch the Memory glitter shade, and that's like the Black Story family. And remember, I don't have fancy lighting. Now let's pick up the Ritual glitter, and I'm just barely going over it once. Holy cow. Yep, that's the first glitter I'm going in with. I feel so Tati right now, like the body swatches, hello? Now let's go in with the Story glitter. I'm literally deceased. Oh my gosh. And Soothe, which is a gorgeous neutral gold. Like, shut up. Now let's go into Aura. Now this shade, okay, I don't know, my camera's probably not going to pick it up because I have a peasant camera on my iPhone. This shade has so much dimension to it, I can't even describe it. I picked up a lot of that one. Shut up. And now Poet. I'm very impressed with these glitters, you guys. And I can't wait to use them on my eyes. I just wanted to swatch those real quick. Let's take that off before it gets all over my shirt. That's gonna be on me for the rest of my life when I'm going to my workout class later. Once again, I don't have all my brushes ready. At least they're clean this time. I am going to use this palette as organically as I can, meaning that I am going to go with what I naturally gravitate towards. So I think what I'm going to mainly be focusing on for my first look is the Ritual tones, because that glitter is absolutely stunning. So I'm mainly going to be focusing on these shades right here, just kind of working from our mattes all the way up. I am going to dip in with a little bit of the Soothe matte for my transition shade. Per usual, I'm gonna prime the eye. with my Benefit concealer. I'm just going to pick up a fluffy brush, y'all, and dip into Soothe. Tati did describe these shadows as a really softly pressed matte. So I'm just going to go in straight on top of that concealer. Tati said that she basically wanted these shadows to blend themselves out. Yep, that's like the perfect transition shade. It did blend itself out, absolutely. So easy. It's extremely smooth too. Yas Queen with the matte formulations. Let's go ahead and get into Ritual. So I'm gonna pick up a smaller, my Morphe 443. It's like a slightly smaller blending brush. And let's go ahead and go into Ritual Matte. This nice dark brown. Oh, I have a feeling this is gonna be so pigmented and I'm freaking ready for it. I'm ready. I'm just putting that, oh yeah. Hello. Nice to meet you, Ritual Matte. And I'm just leaving this on the outer corner for now. Just kind of blending it up a little bit into the crease because there's 4 other formulations of the same tone that I want to play with. Okay, Miss Westbrook, you weren't freaking playing when you said you wanted those mattes to blend themselves out. So I'm going to go in with the sequin formulation of the Ritual Row. Now, I don't really know if it's going to pick it up like I said on my camera, but the Ritual Matte is the same tone, but it does have, I would say it's like a little bit of a gold glitter in it. And she did recommend picking this up and kind of packing it and not trying to sweep it too much. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pick it up on like a normal flat brush. Right between the matte and where I haven't placed any shadow. It's so pretty and subtle. Okay, now let's go in with Ritual Metallic. I'm going to pick it up on my flat brush. I pick up literally every other metallic shade on. Let's go ahead and use it dry. You guys know I like to spray everything down, but let's just not do it just for the sake of the tutorial. I picked up quite a generous amount. And I'm going to go in kind of on the inner corner. Let's see what happens when I spray it. It's not bad. I just like a really punchy metallic. That helped quite a bit. Let's pick up that flat brush again and go into the sequin and just tap it right between the metallic and the matte. Okay, now let's just go ahead and get it over with. Let's go in with the star of the show. Ritual Glitter. She suggests picking it up in a patting motion. So I'm going to pick it up just like that. And she suggests going in with a finger. So I'm going to trust you, girl. And you really, in general, with glitters, want to pat first. What? It's amazing. I am such a basic bitch for glitter, you guys. That glitter! Are you freaking kidding? That just took this whole look to a whole other freaking level. Do you see how gorgeous? Ooh, it's so beautiful! Let me go do my other eye real quick, and I'll be right back. I popped both eyes on. Oh my god. I don't think I could be more obsessed with this look if I tried. And I mean, seriously, I don't want to sound dramatic, but I think this is my favorite brown eye look I've ever done in my whole life. That glitter has so much freaking dimension to it. It's insane. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and take a few pictures. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wear this for my family pictures this year, I think. What do you think, Cass? Family picture? My best friend Cassie is an amazing photographer in the Houston area, just in case anybody lives there and wants to get some amazing pictures. She's going to take some pictures of me for my Instagram platform and my YouTube channel, and take some pictures of me and Philip and Pearl, because we've never gotten pictures with the 3 of us, and Philip and I haven't gotten professional pictures taken since our wedding. So if you're in the Houston area, definitely look up Cassie Morrison Photography. I'll link all her stuff. She has a YouTube channel. She's amazing. Plug for her. My friends, that is the first finished eye look. Let me take you into some different lighting and show you what it looks like. It's a really gloomy day outside, but here's some natural light. So I'm gonna go take this look off, sadly, and I'll be back with the blank face and ready for look number 2 in just a minute. I don't want to take it off. Bye bye, beautiful. And we're back. The beautifulness is gone, but I am so ready for look number 2. So let's prime the eyes again. This is going to be another video where my eyelids hurt for days after I film it. And girl, you know what we're about to do. We're going to play with the story row right here, Reds are some of my favorite looks to do, end of story, period. So let's pick up a fluffy brush, and we are going to use Soothe, that transition shade. This shade right here for our transition again. Guys, I don't have my nails on. For the first time in 3.5 years, I don't have any dip. Is that crazy or what? 3.5 years. I wish I was joking, but I'm not. Let's go into Story Matte. I'm tapping it on the outer corner. Oh yeah, just a good rusty color. Blends very nicely. Now I've got that nice and blended out. No skips, no patchiness. Nothing but good things to say about that one. Now picking up a flat brush, let's go ahead and go into Sequin of Story. Now this one is absolutely gorgeous in the pan. You can see all the gold reflux in it. Oh my god. Can't wait to see what this one looks like. Patting it, picking up quite a bit on the brush, and I'm just gonna go right on the middle part of the lid. Are you kidding me, Miss Westbrook? Guys, it's not gonna pick up how beautiful this looks in person on camera. Now let's go ahead and pick up Story Metallic. Now this one has like an orangey undertone to it, which I think will look super beautiful. So I'm gonna spray it. I will say, so far out of all the formulas, the metallics are not my favorite metallic shadows I've ever used. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. They're just not as punchy as I normally want. And that's if I'm being really picky. They're still good. Like I said, they're fine. There's nothing wrong with them. I'm just not thrilled with them. And before I go in with the glitter, I am going to take a little bit of Ritual, that brown, and just kind of put it in the outer corner. Now for my favorite part, let's go in with the glitter. Ooh, I love red. Oh. Holy cow. How am I going to use this palette for an everyday look when all I'm going to want to do is throw glitter on literally every look? They're by far my favorite part of this palette. That's insane. I have got to actually wear these for a day and see if those glitters actually stay put though. Okay, let me go finish up this eye. I'll BRB. Do I even need to say anything? Because I think that this look speaks for itself. I'm done. No one needs my opinion because clearly you can see that this looks absolutely beautiful. Glitter the house. Let me take y'all into some different light because y'all need to see this. Like, I'm sorry. Okay, sis. Shut up! Shut up! I love this! Well, unfortunately, I'm gonna go take this look off too, and I'll be right back with a clean face. Such a shame. Pearl's gotta be in the video. What do you think? What do you think of Mama's eyeshadow? Pearl says hi. She always has to be near me. Eyes on me at all times. It's so cute. Are you staring at Mom? Okay, I'm prime my eyes again. My eyelids feel like they're going to actually fall off. Let's play around and combine colors and textures from all of the rows. So I'm gonna go in with Soothe Matte for my transition shade. Wow, shocking. I know y'all didn't see that coming. Picking that up on a brush. We're to the point where even my blending brush feels like nails on my eyelid. I have glitter all over me. It's just gonna be on me for the rest of my life. I'm convinced. Okay. Now, because we're gonna do something a little bit different, let's pick up Ritual Matte on a smaller blender brush, and I'm just gonna kind of go with that on the outer corner. Now that I've got that blended out, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more and bring it in the inner crease. Just kind of bring it in a little bit more. I want to pick up a little bit of this Memory, so I went into it one time. I don't know about the blackest I've ever used, but it's pretty damn easy to use. Wow, yeah, for a black that blends out so nicely. I do want to pick up the Aura Sequin because it's got really pretty like pink reflex in it. So I'm gonna pick up quite a bit on this brush. And I am going to try wetting this formula and just see if it does lay down a little bit easier. Ooh, that is nice and pigmented. Oh, it layers nicely. I don't know. I feel like there might be a learning curve for the sequin eyeshadows, and maybe I'm just not on the learning curve yet. It's not bad. It's just I just can't get them to do what I want them to do. Now, Aura Metallic I've used on my inner corner already, but I want to pick that up and wet it. And put that, oh yeah, that's beautiful. Now let's pick up the Aura Glitter. Gosh, it's so pretty. Let's pick that up. Oh. Okay, Ashley, I know you're watching this. I'm going to do this eye look on you for your bachelorette party. Okay, that glitter's my favorite. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other eye and finish him up and throw some other makeup on that thing, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm finally back. I got caught up watching Tati's YouTube videos, no shock, but I just threw on a little face, a little gloss, finished up my eyes. I didn't put on falsies today just because my only plans are to go edit for Saturday's video, which will be this one, and then go to the gym later, and then come home and wash my hair, and then I work for the next 3 days, so I really have no special plans, so I didn't feel like putting on falsies, but I did finish up the eyes with a little bit of mascara, a little bit of eyeliner. Guys, if you want the tea on this palette, the tea is, there is no tea. This palette is absolutely amazing. I will say my favorite formulation has to be the glitter, obviously, and I also do love the mattes. Mattes are super important to me. They need to be able to blend out. They need to be able to hold their own. The sequin shadows, I'm gonna have to learn how to work with them a little bit better. I think it's me, not them. I do think there is a little bit of a learning curve with that formulation. And the metallics are good. They're not amazing. They don't blow me away, but they are good standard metallic shades. So overall, I think this palette is absolutely amazing. I do plan on doing a tutorial with this berry shade and with the blacks as well. Overall, I think the palette is absolutely worth it. I think that it's great for the girl who wants to play a little bit more with their makeup, but still keep it very neutral. I do think that it has everything that you need for that, and I also think it has everything you need to have a little bit of fun, play with a little bit of glitter. I overall love it. So yeah guys, go ahead and stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button, watch my other videos, join the Making Up with Michelle family. So yeah guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it swayed you one way or another about whether you want to get this palette. I love it so much. Let me know in the comments right now what your favorite look was, and let me know whether you want me to film the berry tone glitter eye or the black tone glitter eye first. I am totally gonna film both of those. Plus, I already promised y'all my green glitter eye look and also my gold glitter eye look. I will be filming both of those as well. I was just really excited that I got this palette in the mail finally. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.